Welcome to our TED Talk summary video on mastering boredom. Have you ever found yourself caught in the monotonous loops of daily life, feeling as though you're simply going through the motions? In this video, we'll explore how boredom, often viewed as an enemy, can actually be a powerful catalyst for personal growth and self-discovery. Let's embark on this journey to transform our mindset and reshape our relationship with boredom. Stay tuned as we delve into the practical guide to transform your mindset in the next scene. Ever found yourself trapped in a vortex of boredom, with the seemingly endless tick-tock of the clock amplifying the silence? Let's begin with a crucial insight. Boredom isn't always your most reliable companion. Although it might feel like an unwelcome guest, boredom can, in fact, serve as a catalyst for self-discovery and growth. The key is to question it, to probe its depths, and to unearth those hidden gems of interest that lie beneath the surface. Now, onto the art of preserving your attention. In an age where distractions are a dime a dozen, protecting your focus becomes paramount. A bored mind is a wandering mind, but by consciously choosing where to direct our attention, we empower ourselves to remain engaged with what truly matters. It's not about shutting out the world, but rather about deciding what deserves your time and energy. Lastly, let's break the silence on boredom. It's a universal experience, yet one that often goes unspoken. By sharing our experiences and strategies, we can collectively unmask the sophisticated boredom avoidance schemes that modern life often presents. Remember, knowledge shared is power multiplied. In conclusion, mastering boredom is not about merely tolerating or escaping it. It's about understanding, questioning, and reshaping our relationship with this all-too-common state of mind. It's about seeing boredom not as an enemy, but as an opportunity for growth and engagement. As we approach the end of our journey into mastering boredom, let's take a moment to reflect on our newfound understanding. Boredom, once seen as a foe, is now looked upon as a friend, a catalyst for growth, and a tool for self-discovery. Let's not just reshape our relationship with boredom, let's embrace it wholeheartedly. Remember, each moment of boredom is a call to action. It's a signal from your mind, urging you to engage, explore, and expand your horizons. So the next time you feel the dull pang of boredom, don't shy away. Dive in, delve deep, and discover the rich tapestry of thoughts, ideas, and emotions that lies beneath. And finally, let's not forget the power of curiosity. It's our greatest weapon against boredom. It's the spark that ignites our passion, fuels our creativity, and drives our pursuit of knowledge. So, stay curious, stay engaged, and watch as boredom transforms from a mundane reality into an exciting journey of self-discovery. Outro. Thank you for watching our TED Talk summary on mastering boredom. Stay tuned for more. If this journey into the heart of boredom has sparked your curiosity, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Stay curious, stay engaged, and together we can transform boredom from a foe into a friend. Until next time, keep exploring.